Hey, quick question, guys. Does $5 sound like a lot of money to you? Well, you're right. It's not a huge or impressive amount. But what if I asked you how much $5 that you receive over and over again with practically zero effort and maybe the skill set of a 7-year-old sound like to you? That's more like it, right? Well, today's strategy will help you achieve just that. Earn $5 not just once, not just twice or thrice, but repeatedly, so long as you employ a few simple tips and tricks that I will be sharing with you today. This strategy is available worldwide. It's completely beginner friendly and you can cash out through a variety of methods including PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer, and even crypto. So go ahead, grab a cup of coffee or tea, a pen, some paper, and get ready to listen close. Take some notes as I show you how you can pull this off for yourself. This is Next Level Finance, the space where we teach you the best, the easiest, and most legit ways that you can make money online. If you want to achieve financial freedom, or if you want to grow the number of income streams that you currently have, maybe you want to monetize your free time, well, you've come to the right place because those are the kinds of things that we talk about day in and day out on this very channel. Join our community by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons down below because we do post videos several times a week now, and trust me when I say that you wouldn't want to miss out on a single one of them. And with that said, let's go make some money. Alright, the first platform that we'll be using here today is called 5squid.com. If you're not familiar with it, then you may want to finish watching this video before heading on over there because it might get a little bit tricky. So 5squid is essentially a platform that will allow you to buy, sell, or request for any service for a fee, usually between 5 to 10 pounds. This is anything and everything that you can think of, from a voiceover to a script to logo design. And don't worry, this is beginner friendly like I promised, and you won't need to do any writing, editing, or voice acting that you might be imagining right now. What I'll be teaching you is an extremely easy strategy that you can use to earn an easy $5 in just a few seconds time. Alright, so I want you to click on this button that should show you the different categories that people are paying or getting paid for. There's logo design, there's Photoshop editing, flyers and posters, social marketing, SEO, voiceover and narration, market research, and so much more. Again, you don't need to be doing any of these things because there's really something very unique here that you'll be able to do yourself. On the other categories option, you'll see that it says your message on. And I want you to click on that, and it should lead you to this very unique service that people from all over the world are making money doing. Now check this out. It says right here, I will write anything you want on tropical beach sand. Or I will create a breaking news image for your image. The services here are essentially for those who want to provide a service showing special messages using different mediums. And people are making some real money here. Now take a look at this man offering this service. I will make Einstein write you 3 messages on a blackboard. Do you really think that people are paying him real money to do this? Yes, they are. And before you tell me that you have no idea how you can do this or pull this off yourself, don't fret because I'll be teaching you exactly how you can do that too. And it would be right here on this very platform called heatmeal.com. Right here, you can search for Einstein. It's a free service and pretty self-explanatory. It says you can place your own text on this image. Just type in basically whatever you want written on the board, click on change image, and in an instant, you get the text you want on the board. That's worth £5, guys. All right, let's try this out really quickly. I want to type in like and subscribe to Next Level Finance. Alright, now click on change image, and there you have it. Einstein is telling you guys to like and subscribe, guys, so you better do that right now. Alright, while you're at it, you can also choose to include Uncle Sam and Quaker as fun options to give your customers so that you can serve a wider audience just using the same platform and effortless strategy. So just imagine, this is really simple enough so you can do it while waiting for your boss to start that meeting on Zoom, or maybe while waiting for your breakfast to cook. Maybe even from the bathroom or anywhere else, because it just takes so little time, and you can even do it using your mobile phone, a tablet, or PC. You can just easily save the file or even take a screenshot of the picture and then send it to your client for the easiest $5 ever. To sign up for a free account on FiveSquid, just click on this green join button up on top, and you'll need to enter your email address and press the continue button. From there, you'll need to verify your account by checking your email, maybe fill out a few more details, but it's all really simple, super straightforward, and after that, you're in. So guys, before we finish, I remember promising to tell you about a bonus, and I have not forgotten. Here it is. Head on over to Fiverr.com. And if you don't have an account yet, you can also sign up easily and for free. So you can do that now. And once you're done, check this out. I found this other freelancer here who actually offers the same service as Addy Brown from FiveSquid, meaning he makes Einstein write whatever you want on his blackboard. This guy has sold this very same service for over 100 times, which is insane if you think about how easy it is to pull off, right? So while FiveSquid is a great place to start, well, you can definitely post the same service right here on Fiverr, but also on other freelance platforms like Upwork, like Freelancer, like People Per Hour, etc. So you can definitely maximize your income potential just doing this super simple task. Alright guys, and the thing is, you better do this quick. Not too many people know about this yet, and I want you to get started before everyone else starts offering it too, because once they do, prices usually go down, right? I do want our YouTube community to succeed, so I made sure to give you first dibs on all of these money-making strategies that I learned about myself so that you can do them and also earn money for yourself. Speaking of YouTube community, if you haven't already, then what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and join us today by hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons below. It's completely free, and we do offer multiple money-making strategies and ideas and share them with you every single week. With that said, I hope you got a ton of value from this video and that you're inspired to start building wealth right away. If you have any questions or comments, please, by all means, don't be shy. Do leave them down below, and I would be happy to answer you. Also, let me know what you want to see next, and we'll include it in our video pipeline. If you're interested to keep learning and to keep growing, well, I can leave some of my other videos that I think you'll enjoy down in the comment section or description box below, so make sure that you check those out as well. Alrighty guys, that's it for today. Take care. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.